Exploring the creative possibilities of Florida Studio, unleashing musical innovation. Introduction. In the realm of digital audio workstations, DAWs, Florida Studio has firmly established itself as a powerhouse tool for musicians, producers, and sound engineers. Since its inception, Florida Studio has evolved into a comprehensive platform that offers both beginners and professionals an array of tools to shape their musical ideas into polished compositions. This article delves into the world of Florida Studio, exploring its history, key features, and the ways in which it empowers artists to bring their creative visions to life. Evolution and history. Florida Studio, developed by Belgian company Imageline, first emerged in 1997 as Fruity Loops. Initially conceived as a simple MIDI drum machine, it quickly gained popularity due to its user-friendly interface and accessible workflow. Over the years, the software has undergone significant transformations, evolving from a basic loop-based production tool to a full-fledged DAW capable of handling complex arrangements and professional-grade mixing and mastering. Key features. 1. User-friendly interface. One of Florida Studio's standout features is its intuitive and visually appealing interface. The software adopts a pattern-based approach, making it easier for users to arrange and sequence musical elements. 2. Pattern sequencing. The unique pattern sequencer allows users to create and arrange musical patterns, which can be easily combined to form complete songs. This approach simplifies the creation of complex arrangements. 3. MIDI capabilities. Florida Studio offers robust MIDI capabilities, allowing users to connect and control various MIDI devices, record MIDI data, and manipulate virtual instruments with ease. 4. Virtual instruments and plugins. The software comes with an impressive collection of virtual instruments and effects plugins. From synthesizers to samplers, reverb to compression, Florida Studio provides a wide range of sonic possibilities. 5. Automation and editing. Automation is a crucial aspect of music production, and Florida Studio excels in this area. Users can automate virtually any parameter, from volume and panning to intricate plugin controls. 6. Audio recording. Florida Studio supports multi-track audio recording, enabling artists to record vocals, instruments, and external audio sources directly into their projects. 7. Mixing and mastering. With its comprehensive mixer view, Florida Studio enables users to control and process multiple tracks, apply various effects, and achieve professional quality mixes. Additionally, its mastering tools help finalize songs for distribution. 8. Time stretching and pitch shifting. The time stretching and pitch shifting capabilities of Florida Studio allow users to manipulate audio recordings without affecting their pitch, making it easier to match different elements in a composition. 9. Collaboration and export. Florida Studio supports collaboration through project sharing, and it offers export options in various formats suitable for different platforms and mediums. Fostering creativity. Florida Studio isn't just a tool, it's a creative playground that empowers artists to experiment and innovate. Its diverse range of features encourages musicians to explore new genres, experiment with sound design, and push their creative boundaries. From electronic dance music to orchestral arrangements, Florida Studio provides the canvas for artists to paint their sonic landscapes. Community and resources. The Florida Studio community plays a significant role in its success. Imageline's commitment to user engagement is evident through forums, tutorials, and an active user base that shares tips, tricks, and project files. This supportive environment helps both novices and experts enhance their skills and stay up to date with the latest techniques and trends. Conclusion. Florida Studio's journey from a simple MIDI drum machine to a sophisticated digital audio workstation is a testament to its adaptability and dedication to meeting the needs of music creators. With its user-friendly interface, extensive feature set, and vibrant community, Florida Studio continues to be a driving force in the world of music production. Aspiring musicians and seasoned producers alike can harness its capabilities to shape their musical visions, innovate, and contribute to the ever-evolving landscape of sound.